Simulation theory: 7 reasons why we might be living in a simulation. The simulation theory is a conspiracy theory to the effect that reality, as we perceive it, is actually an artificial construct created by one or more unknown entities. This means that what you are experiencing right now might not be real at all. You may be living in a simulation. We will explore reasons why this could be true, and 7 things you should know about the simulation theory. Reason number 1: the theory has a lot of scientific backing. Some of the world's most renowned scientists have endorsed the simulation theory, including physicist Neil deGrasse Tyson and futurist Ray Kurzweil. This lends it some degree of credibility, as these individuals are not known for making outlandish claims without evidence to back them up. Reason number 2: there are some strange anomalies in the universe that cannot be explained. Some of the oddities in our universe that suggest we might be living in a simulation include quantum mechanics and the observer effect. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist simultaneously in 2 or more states until they are observed. This is what makes subatomic particles so unpredictable. The observer effect refers to the fact that the act of observation changes the outcome of an experiment. Scientists have been able to observe this by filming particles and then later watching the footage to see how they behaved. If reality were not a simulation, these things shouldn't happen. Reason number 3: reality seems too perfect to be real. Think about it: if reality were not a simulation, there would be countless errors and glitches. But we don't see that. Everything seems to function perfectly. This suggests that somebody or something is manipulating the Game Boy to make it look as though it's real. Reason number 4: reality is often too convenient for us. Again, if reality were not a simulation, things would happen randomly without any rhyme or reason. But this isn't the case. Many events in our lives are conveniently timed in order to help us out. For example, you might get a parking spot right next to the entrance of the store you are going to, or someone might let you go in front of them in line at the DMV. Coincidences like these happen all the time, and they're too frequent to be accidental. Reason number 5: the universe is governed by mathematical laws. The universe appears to operate according to certain mathematical principles, which suggests that somebody or something designed it that way. If reality were not a simulation, this would be a huge coincidence. Reason number 6: we can't explain consciousness. Scientists are still trying to figure out what consciousness is and how it works. But if reality were not a simulation, then we should have been able to figure it out by now. After all, we've had thousands of years to do so. The fact that we still don't know what consciousness is suggests that it might be artificially created. Reason number 7: reality is a simulation created by an alien civilization. This may sound far-fetched, but there's evidence to back it up. For one thing, we've never found any firm proof that Earth isn't the only life-supporting planet in existence. This means that if reality were not a simulation, our scientists should have been able to figure out whether or not we're alone by now. The fact that they haven't suggests either of 2 possibilities: A. intelligent alien civilizations don't exist and therefore cannot create simulations, or B. such beings do exist but are trying to hide from us for some reason. Either way, both scenarios suggest that aliens might be controlling our world. So, what do you think?